Hello everyone. Welcome to hashtag Playing With Me Monday 2023. This is an open collaboration that's been year long, but I joined late a month or two ago. And it's hosted by Lene at Fashionably 50 something and beyond. And I'm in the beyond category. I'm in my mid 60s, but I still enjoy crafting. In fact, it's really what got me through the last few years. Um, so anyway, I kind of got away from doing my planner until I joined this collaboration. So thank you, Lene, for kind of kicking me in the butt to get my planner going again. And I like it because it kind of keeps me on track with my menu planning for just my son and I. And plus, I have a ton of washi and I have a ton of stickers and I have a ton of paper. I have a ton of anything paper crafting and a ton of anything jewelry making and let's see, probably some miscellaneous crafting stuff too. So yeah, definitely. So I brought out this happy memory keeping book again for holidays. All my sticker books from Happy Planner are old books. I haven't bought anything new, and I'm not going to because I have the top shelf of a rolling cart full of Happy Planner and Walmart and Dollar Tree sticker books. So, yeah, not to mention, I have a tote bag full of other stickers, and for holidays, I have stickers in with my holiday stuff. So, yeah, I don't need any more product. I need to use what I have for as long as I can still craft. So, and I had this box of washi from Recollections from Michael's. I don't know if they still sell things like this, but they called it crafting tape, and this particular one was different holidays. So I used this one and this one out of here. Some of these didn't come in here like this. And then I pulled in some skinny washi, these two greens. And this, I don't know where I got this from. Maybe this was in here. Anyway, it's sort of a pinkish red and a brighter green. And I wanted to use that because it thought it brought in the candy cane colors. I also had this sheet of stickers. I used them all except this one because I'm not ready to do a Christmas menu yet. I don't know if I'll be cooking on Christmas because we usually go to my daughter's house for Christmas breakfast. And then we get to watch my granddaughters. We do a gift exchange and watch my granddaughters open some of their gifts. They usually have anything under the tree already open by the time we get there. And then I used a few off of here. I used some lighter green holly leaves, and there were some ornaments on here, and one of these little shorter one of these. So I'll show you those when we get there. So and there's three more Christmas sticker sheets in here. So I think next week I'll be using this one, and the week after that, this one, or maybe the week that has Christmas Eve, which ends on Christmas Eve is on a Sunday. And then this one I might use for Christmas week, maybe. We'll see. I don't know. Oh, and I have this one. So, I might use combinations of this one and this one next week. I don't know yet. We'll see. And still I have a few on here. This I might put on Christmas Day too. I don't know. I figure it out as I go and what I feel like at that point in time. So let me get these out of the way. I did bring in my paper mates in green, like a darker green, a pink, because I felt like that washi had sort of a pink in it, as did these candy canes aren't a real dark red either. And then red because I wanted like a maroon, but I didn't have one. So these are out of the sticker book, the foiled holly, and this was just like that. This one, which really didn't seem to match, the word joy, which I actually tore the J, but I hope you can't tell too much. And then here's some of the other stickers. This says Jolly, some little ornaments there, and there, and another thing of holly. And then the rest I just and a meal plan and this appointment were out of a different book. And this was out of the one that has all foodie stuff in it. And this one, I can't remember which book it was out of. And so that's my planner for the week of December 4th through the 10th. I struggled with the meal plan a little bit, and I did decide to do tasks this time. So mostly what I need to do is finish decorating. We have the tree up, we have the nativity outside, and we have a wreath to hang on the wall. Oh, I have to buy, note to self, I have to buy a new ribbon for my outdoor wreath because the ribbon on it, the wreath is getting pretty battered, but it's still okay, and they're so expensive now, but I can buy a new ribbon for outdoor wreath. I don't want to write that in my planner, but I have a shopping list going downstairs, and I want to put that on it so I don't forget to look for that. Um, I have to shred documents. I have a big shredder, rolling size floor model shredder, and I have things stacked on top of it now for a while, but when I was cleaning and organizing the other day, I realized I have old checks for me because my bank got bought out and I got new checks. And also, I still have some of my mother's old checks and I need to shred them up, plus some other documents. I need to do that because next week is recycle, which I didn't I didn't write on here. It'll be trash and recycle night on Sunday night next week. We put it out Sunday night for Monday pickup, hopefully. And my son put the printer, I was supposed to do that last week to recycle my old printer that doesn't work anymore. I got a new one and also a Goodwill drop. I have to get some things out of my bedroom that are taking up valuable space that I need, and then also some crafty items. Not enough, but some. I need to clean and organize the craft room, so I put that on for Wednesday, maybe after my doctor appointment, or actually probably before my doctor appointment because that's at 2:15. I need to plan my craft and collab schedule for 2024. So far, I only have two things planned, and that is embellishments on the 11th on this channel and jewelry making fun on the 18th on my Dahlia Designs jewelry making channel. And then Christmas shop. Today is Monday. I'm doing the planner. I'm going to do the recycle of the printer and a trip to Goodwill. And then on the way back from that, in sort of in a circle, there's a Boscov's, a Target I need to go to for my son, and a trip to Giant, which is food. Not my big shop, but we need a few things, and he asked me to get a few things. And we got our tree up. It's a fake tree. It's like a 5-foot fake tree, and we put it up every year. Maybe it's 4 foot, and I put it on a table, actually, in front of my living room window. And my son brought the lights and garland and stuff up from the basement. So I think tonight in the evening, since we're just having leftovers, I'm going to go ahead and put the lights and garland on, and then I'll let him put the first ornament on because he has a favorite ornament. So when he gets home from work, I'll tell him, put your first ornament on, and then maybe tomorrow I can finish decorating tree. Because I'm not going to do it at 11:30 at night, that's for sure. Okay, so then Tuesday, I have to shred the old checks and papers, dust, vacuum, and mop. Call an attorney about the deed issue I have going on right now, right-of-way issue, and finish decorating the tree. I have a doctor's appointment on Wednesday, so I should, in the morning, I'm going to write that AM. I put finish decorating here too, and I'll leave it there because I may not get to it on Tuesday with all the other stuff I have going. Shredding's going to take me a while. Then Thursday and Friday, I just have craft. Craft for the 10th because I have a collab 10 on the 10th for Christmas, which I don't think will be cards this time. I'm not sure. I might make tags, but honestly, I don't really even need tags for most of what I have as gifts. And then craft for the 11th, which will be embellishments on the 11th on Monday. And then Saturday, I penciled in Girl Scout goodies in. I ordered them like a month and a half ago. And my daughter said, I think she said either the 7th or the 9th. I wrote it in for the 9th and maybe go pick those up at her house if they came in on the 7th. I don't know. And then Sunday is do my planner again and the 2024 craft and collab schedule. And also just, I'm thinking of doing some series, one or two series on each channel. And I don't know what I'm going to be doing there yet. So I need to figure that out. And I need to get emails out to the collaborators for embellishments on the 11th. Which if you are in the current collab and you haven't responded to me yet, please respond to my email or email me and let me know for sure you're interested if you haven't already. And if there's anyone else that would like to join Embellishments on the 11th, it is a set collaboration for the whole year of 2024. And it's basically you can make one to however many embellishments you want of any style. There's no theme. So it can be anything you want. And then trash and recycle. And of course, cooking. So yesterday I made pork carditos in the crock pot. And we had that with, I had two baking potatoes and Normandy vegetables, which is yellow squash, zucchini, carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. I think that's all. And so we had that. So I think we'll have the leftover pork roast tonight with the veggies that we have left over. And I haven't decided yet what to go with it. I have one chicken breast partially thawed from when I made chicken fajitas last week, and I still have some already cooked onions and peppers. I used some of them in scrambled eggs yesterday, which was really good. Anyway, um, I want to make chicken fajitas again to use up that chicken breast and those peppers and onions. I think we'll switch gears and do fish patties, french fries, and some kind of veggie, maybe carrots or something. I don't know. And then I have chicken stuffed with broccoli. I have some more of those and I want to use them up. And then I think I'll make hamburger macaroni casserole on Friday. And maybe homemade cheesesteaks. We haven't had them for a while on Saturday because they're not good. Like my son on these days, he has to reheat stuff when he gets home. Cheesesteaks are not the best reheated, right? They're better made. And then so anyway, I'll do that when he's home. And then Sunday, I haven't decided, so I penciled in either salmon or I have the shrimp and lobster ravioli, maybe that. I'm not sure yet about Sunday. We'll figure that out later. So that is it. That is my planner for the week of December 4th through the 10th. I'm in full Christmas mode now, except that I still have fall and Halloween stuff out in my craft room and I need to get that put away. So I have room to pull out. Actually, I don't need to pull out too much Christmas. I have a little bit out already that I want to be using up as well. So I'm going to try and use what I have out and not pull anything else out. Um, except for maybe different washi for next week. So yeah, haven't started anything on that one. In December, it gets busy for me, as you can see, starting on the 10th with the collabs and stuff. And then we have holiday concert at my granddaughter's school, my son's birthday. I can't even get out of him anything for he wants for Christmas. But his birthday's on the 19th too, and then that same granddaughter has her birthday on the 28th. And we have Christmas, of course, and Christmas Eve and Christmas. So that starts to get a little busier mid-month. Mid-month is always busy for me. So anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.